Hi there everyone, welcome back to our channel guys. Today I'm gonna show you or unboxing here our Lorna Jane product or LJ. They selling like pants for exercise for your gym and really beautiful bras, tops and everything that make you comfy during your yoga thing and stuff like that in the gym or even in your own home to do treadmill or whatever exercise you're making. Anyhow guys, this one is just about me a few days ago. Now I'm gonna open it to show you what's actually I ordered, and I saw it in the early and it was really good. And just put it there so I can open it here. Bear with me guys. It's really a thick material to open this thing. So I'm just gonna put it there. And voila, here it is. Oh, what's in here? We have this total. They sent this as well from the office. It called HelloFresh. Yeah, that's HelloFresh. I guess it said here save a total of $50 off if you order in the HelloFresh. And yeah, for your dinner. And I guess I have to read this one. Voucher is only valid for $25 off on household first 2 boxes, only by BGs and families boxes, including gourmet dinner to lunch and adds on. When using this voucher, you will be signed up to an ongoing weekly subscription. Cannot be used in conjunction with any other offer. Full T&C cut-off times. Blah, blah, blah. So this is the voucher that I have. Oh, I will redeem it soon. Okay, that's from HelloFresh. I believe it's in the Woolies. See, there's a lot of things on them. Thank you. Make a love shout out to LJ or Lorna Jane company here in Australia. I guess they're all over the world too, if I'm not being mistaken. So there you go. And it says here, beautiful heart here. I am brave, fearless, bold, and strong. From Lorna Jane. Mano smoke pow, blah blah blah. Alrighty guys, here is the one that I ordered, show you earlier. Very nice sports bra. It's called LG XL Lorna Jane. See here, Lorna Jane, we love this because Kimi long line bra. See, it got ultimate support, moisture wicking, like for your sweating, you know, easy to get dried up when you dry it up. Removable padding. The padding actually very good guys, soft and really good. So yeah, you can remove it in the corner side too. Yoga highlights, light cardio. I love the cardio and the gym. And this is, I get is a size medium in a black color, and that's the name of it. Kimi long line sports. Kimi long line sports bra. Yeah, less than $100, something like that. And here it is. The product is here. It's really beautiful guys, see that? Really good. And I like the fact that this one got something here to camber in here, really even good. And this is nice and stretchy. See, it's the amount of the stretch. Wow, awesome. And all this paraphernalia here in the corner, which is a little bit, if you guys really honestly just my opinion about LJ, if you guys really want to save a lot for the environment, you don't have to be like this here. All of the thing of information, I guess you get information for everything, any messages in any languages, so I guess you can't blame them. Your active starts life starts now. It's already active long time ago. Anyhow guys, this bra, I'll show you more here in the corner. They have a logo here, share of the 00 or whatever that means, from the LJ or Lorna Jane, and it's a crisscross bra. from Kim Long Dry, and it's really good here. It's nice and soft and floppy. See, really like a cotton. It's a cotton thing. Let's see the messages here. Have a look the messages. What's this made of for? Actually, they are really pretty good because most of them is elastane, 29%, 71 polyester, 88% polyester, 2% polyester, elastane. I don't know where's the other cotton there. Anyhow, nice crisscross here on the back, which is nice strap, big one, and soft as well, guys. See, very nice. Yeah, it's pricey, but you only wear it, I mean, you only buy it once. They are really nice and sell, but actually mine, it was full price, so it wasn't really got promo offer or anything, because I needed it one. This one wash and wear with the other one, and then this one as well. I really like this skin. Yeah, what do you call it? Kimi long line sports bra, soft, and here is floppy, nice, like really soft, like almost soft like the skin. And yeah, good stretch. I guess not really stretchy because it's good. And also one thing, oh, is this emblem here, red heart emblem, really good. That it's hiding though, it's inside the padding here, I mean inside where your breast here, and here is in the corner, just only one of that part there. Nice. I hope continuous washing it won't get full off, which is probably I'm just gonna, actually guys, this sports bra and everything, you can wear it with, you can wash it by your hand. Don't put it always in your washing machine, but also you can put it in washing machine if you want to. But to me, I'm extra care, especially the brand new stuff. I always do it washing in my hand, nice and gentle. It's pretty good actually, and you don't have to squish it a lot, because when you hang it there flat, lay flat, and then it's good. After tomorrow, it's dried up. But again, it depends where you are, what kind of weather, summer or winter. So yeah, I love the crisscross, but it's not adjustable to crisscross because this one is built in, so it's good. Nice and soft. See, big strap, nice and soft. I really can't wait, guys, to wear this very soon. The long Kimi long line sports bra from LJ or Lorna Jane company. It's a fitter, faster, stronger in Lorna Jane. Oh, this is stick in my skin already. Now that I open it up, I'll show you what I ordered from online. This long line Kimi sports bra to do yoga or anything of your exercise. I'm not sure if they have different color, because I choose black. Obviously, it's very good. Although if it's wet, you straight away wash it anyway by hand, which is extra bonus because it's really just lay down and cut in there. But then you get them to do it in the washing, unless you want it to stay a bit long too. Actually, I'll show you this thing here in the back. See that one in the back here? You got hole here, so you can open this one and remove this padded here. Padded actually is really good. And before you know it, guys, when you order the stuff from them, they're asking you, do you want a padded sand or less padded? So of course you want a padded, because you get choices there. Do you put that or not? But actually really, oh, it's a white padded as well. I thought it's a black color like this. No, really white. It's a white color, guys. Can't do it by my hand, so it's difficult. Yeah, as you can see here, it's a white color. Kimi long line bra. The padded is a white color, not the black itself. Oh really? I really prepared black color in the padded though, because when you wash them, all these things here. But it's anyhow, it's good. When you're asking like, you will get silly because they're asking like first time, Do you wanna send it with a padded or not? Well, of course, people always, are modest. You always wearing the thing, but anyhow, most of them here now, like I guess, to save the environment, so less body that really goes into waste. So some people they really don't use padded at all, so they don't need that. So it's good that they ask as well. So for me, it's always putting the padded as well. Yeah, guys, try this long line kime bra, sports bra from LJ Hooker. I guarantee you, it's really nice and soft. It's a true size as well. The size is really good. No less, no more. So I really recommended to get this as well if you want looking for sports bra for your yoga stuff, or even for your exercise thing in the gym, or even your cardio, either in the gym or in your home, that you do that every time of the day to unless the stress, and maintain your healthy body and maintain your health as well. So yeah, guys, go ahead and check this from LJ or Lorna Jane stuff here, like this: fitter, faster, and stronger. Actually, in the dispatch, the order online, it's pretty good. Same thing with the Myers too. Like 2 to 3 days later or 4 days later, it's arrived on you. Actually, they always sorry for the inconvenience because blah 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 of this pandemic COVID thing. So actually, it's not really different, because sometimes even it wasn't COVID before, when I order some stuff from them, it's arrived under some 4 or 5 days. But actually, this one is good, so I don't really hurry for that, so it's fine for me. Yeah, thank you so much once again, guys, for all the way with me from the start to the beginning to unboxing this product from LJ or Lorna Jane company here in Australia. I do believe they are in New Zealand as well. So yeah, check it out, guys. Beautiful ladies out there, or all around the world, my friends, my family. If you would like to ask any question about the LJ Hooker or LJ Hooker actually is our agent here, that you're going to looking for houses to sell or rent. That's the LJ Hooker company or agent. But this one is just LJ, just Lorna Jane company. Yeah, thank you again, once again, for your time and effort that you always come back to us. We really do appreciate you guys, and I hope to see you again next time. Consider yourself subscribe if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, and make sure you drop your comment down below about the relevant thing about the subject. And don't worry, guys, we will come back for you as long as we can. We will do the same and support your channel as well. Thank you, lovely people here in Australia, all over the world, and I hope to see you all very soon or shortly when you put the comment down below. Thank you again, guys. Don't worry, we always read your comments, and we can't if we cannot come back to you quickly, don't worry, guys, because we will really had a good time to read the comment, and really actually happy for that. And thank you for your support and very kind words and comments. Really touch our heart. Thank you once again for the lovely time for spending and supporting here, and I hope to see you very soon. Bye, ciao, lovely people. See you. Take care of yourself. Bye.